you looking to create a strong brand for your house cleaning business? Awesome, you're in the right spot. In this video, we're gonna dive into simple tips to making a strong brand for your house cleaning business. Now, you'll learn to do this even if you have no graphic design skills, even if you've never branded a business before, even if you're just starting your small business for the first time. We're gonna walk you through some simple things that you should do to help make your business more memorable, which a more memorable business leads to more customers referring you and finding you, right? So we're gonna dive right into that. But first, why does this matter in the first place? Can't you just use your name for your house cleaning business and that's enough? No, because when you use your name, it's really easy for people to just forget a name. How often do you forget somebody's name that you just met, right? Pretty often. So when you create a brand though, with a logo, with a business name, all that, with a website that goes with it and has the right color scheme and everything, like a Mighty Sites website for $9 a month, it helps your business stand out from the crowd. And so while everybody else is just going by their name and a text number, you're going by a simple website with a creative brand that helps represent who exactly you are. You're going to be more memorable. The more memorable business is the one that people think of when they need your service. So let's dive right into what you need to do to create a memorable brand for your house cleaning business. Okay, but before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more awesome tips every single week to help you grow your house cleaning business. Okay, branding is all about creating a unique identity for your business. It's how you make your customers feel and remember you. So let's go through these easy tips. Tip number one, have a friendly and memorable logo. Think of a logo like a friendly face of your business. It should be clean, simple, and most importantly, memorable. Picture a logo with a happy mop or a sparkling home. It's all about making a great first impression. Tip number two, have a catchy slogan. Your slogan is like a catchy tune that sticks in people's heads. Something like, making homes sparkle one room at a time. It's short, it's sweet, tells a little bit of your story in a nutshell. Tip number three, stick to consistent colors and fonts. Consistency is key. Choose 2 or 3 colors that reflect cleanliness and trust, like blues and whites. Use these colors everywhere, from your uniforms to your website to your van. It makes your brand recognizable and professional. Tip number four, provide fantastic customer service. Branding isn't just visual. It's about the experience that your customers have too. If they can rely on you to always be friendly, then being friendly, on time, and always going the extra mile, that becomes part of your brand. And then happy customers are your best advertisers. Finally, tip number five, have an active social media presence. Share before and after photos, cleaning tips, customer testimonials. It's a great way to engage your community, show off your amazing work, and again, enhance your brand because you're part of the fabric of the community with happy customers and a lot of relationships with customers. That all ties into what people think of when they think of your business. There you have it. That's 5 simple branding tips to make your house cleaning business really shine and stand out. If you don't have a website, give Mighty Sites a try for free. There's a 7-day free trial. Branding is all about telling your story in a way that resonates with your customers. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll catch you in the next video.